its good intention in researching this product is because of these top 10 killers. As it says sa ating pong harapan ngayon, sabi niya, death sentences without committing crime. Bakit po kaya walang krimen pero may death sentence? If you would look closely on the list, on the top 10 list, very common po ito sa atin, lalong-lalo na sa ating mga Filipino. Heart disease, stroke, lower respiratory infection, down to cirrhosis. Okay? Number 6, diabetes. Previously, it was on number 8, but on the recent World Health Organization research, it shows it's already on the top 6. So, moving upward siya. Mas maraming apektadong tao ngayon sa buong mundo because this is not just here, but according to World Health Organization, it is the number 6 killer. Natural, no? Why kaya? Bakit po kaya ang mga ito ay masyadong umaapekto sa buhay natin ngayon? By the way, ma-insert ko lang. Number 2, stroke. I am a stroke survivor myself. Yes, and that's the reason why I have come to, as I mentioned earlier, a big change of life happened because of Reweigh, because of this product. And as I was saying, bakit po ba tayo nakaharap sa mga ganitong klase ng sakit ngayon? Very, very common reason. Aging population. Siyempre wala pong pabata. Lahat tayo naman nag-age, and as we age, it's very common that our organs started to face challenges. Nagkakaroon ng failures, yung mga dating lakas na uubos, it's common. Aging tayo, as we age, we get weaker, no? And then we also have wrong diet because of the presence of all the fast food and all that. Fast-pacing ang buhay, hindi na natin masunod yung mga masusustansyang pagkain. And also, we have inevitable stress, lifestyle, due dates. It all it all brings common factor, no? The stress. Water bill, Meralco bill, kababayan mo palang simula na uli ng paganda ng metro. And as part of being common people, kahit na minsan mga top earners, they still encounter stress, businesses, or whatever problems that they may face. Siyempre, ang stress po pala ay isang malaking contributor para ang ating mga organ ay unti-unting manghina, unti-unting magkasakit. So, another factor, pollution. Siguro hindi na natin dapat pang pag-usapan yan. Pollution will always cause health problems. And nowadays, siguro sa outback nga lang tayo makakakita ng o makakaranas ng fresh air. Dito sa cities, sa mga urban areas, medyo hindi na yan. So with all those factors contributing, this is the result. The death sentences without committing crime. Meaning, lifestyle in itself will always give us health problem in the end. But don't fret, because as I was saying, we have our own bioresearch facility that gives hope. And as you can see here, there are recent medical science breakthrough. Though recent, it says discovery of stem cell. You see, I would just like to emphasize on one thing about this. Discovery because it is not man-made. It has always been in nature. Only this time, there is a bigger structure of studies, research, kaya natin mas nagagamit ng mas epektibo ang stem cell na hindi nagamit noon. And to give you a brief overview of what stem cell is all about, very basic. Stem cell was created from the moment the sperm cell and the egg cell unite. Meaning, ang bawat nilalang na may buhay ay binubuo ng stem cell. How? Simple. Sperm cell, egg cell, through duplication and blastosis, later on it will develop to various organs of the body, and later on it becomes human. After 9 months, it will be delivered out a baby. And as we all know, lahat tayo galing dyan. So lahat tayo ay gawa sa stem cell. And because of that, there are a lot of medical studies, researches, that will not be stuck anymore, that will no longer be prevented. Hindi na maitatago. Published almost 50 years ago pa. Hindi nga lang nabigyan ng masyadong publicity. Kaya ngayon, recent years lang siya mas napagtutuunan ng pansin. As you can see, there are Time Magazine publishing studies about stem cell. There are other magazines, books, and publications na ang credibility hindi isa sa alang-alang na magpapublish ng mga false information. They will never publish such wrong information na makakasira ng kanilang reputation. So with that being said, let's move to our next slide. Talking about stem cell, alam ko po marami na ang nakakarinig nito sa inyo because of some of the most famous personality dealing with this. But let's talk about how do we get stem cell the traditional way. Yung nakasanayan po, number one is placenta injection. That is one of the most expensive procedure. I-inject, you'll have to travel to Switzerland or Germany. Nowadays, we have it in Singapore. And I believe there were also offerings here in Manila in St. Luke's. But we have to face reality, this costs millions. Now, pinakamababang injection would be 1.2 to 1.4 million. And hindi kasya, hindi pwedeng isang injection lang. It's gonna be a series of injections. So, listing to say, very expensive and time-consuming kung magta-travel pa. Stem cell transplant, this process of receiving stem cell, medyo painful po kasi hindi pwedeng gamitan ng anesthesia. Least to say, sa mga talagang emergency situation lang siya pwedeng gamitin. The next thing is cord blood banking. This one is being used today by high-profile personality kasi medyo expensive din po. Cord blood banking, the moment a mother deliver a baby, dun sa cord, hina-harvest yung kanilang stem cell. Tapos, ibabank, sa hospital kung saan siya nanganak. There are only few hospitals that can offer this. And to sum it up, expensive and time-limited kasi po hanggang 20 years lang effective yung ibinabangkong stem cell. At pwede lang gumamit yung baby at yung nanay. Paano naman kapag si tatay ang nagka-problema or let's say beyond 20 years old? Hindi na rin siya effective. We also have placenta injection. That one, let's not discuss it further. It's offered in some of the salons. So the question of security, your health security, medyo mataas, no? Hindi mo sigurado kung professional yung mag-handle. And the quality of the thing that will be injected to you, you cannot verify it really. And then, healthy lifestyle. Laging tinatanong, gusto niyo ba ng free? Siyempre lahat. Pero to be honest and direct, free regeneration of stem cell happen if you qualify the healthy lifestyle. You have your 8 to 10 hours of sleep, 8 to 10 glasses of water, exercise daily, non-stress lifestyle. I think that's impossible sa ngayon. So, move na tayo sa second or sa last method. This is an adult stem cell banking. Another way of acquiring stem cell, ngayon po sa edad ko, pwede akong magpakuha ng stem cell ko. Ipapabangko ko. But the point is, pag nagkasakit ako, yung stem cell ba na yun effective pa? At my age now, after I had 2 stroke already, do you think it's still that qualified para i-address pa yung mga future health issues ko? I don't know, because I'm taking 4th year, you know. But then, sabi nga, ang age ng cell natin ay times 2 pa ng tunay na edad natin. So, mas younger, mas better. Kaya nga sa baby, yung kinukuha sa cord blood banking kasi it is the most effective stage, yung pinaka-youngest part ng buhay ng tao, yung pinaka-fresh, pinaka-potent ng kanyang stem cell. Okay, moving forward, I would also like to show to you how our company was able to come up with a solution. Kasi kanina, yung mga methods, lahat mahal, lahat time-consuming, ineffective, stressful. Paano tayo makaka-acquire as a normal or commoner So the company was able to come up with these 6 fantastic technology that you can only hear here in Reway. First of which is the supercritical extraction. This technology enables all of the ingredients to be extracted in its purest form and get the 99% of its effectivity, the cleanest way possible. Hindi siya pinigaan lang at sinalin. It was done in the most cleanest way possible, and it was made by supercritical extraction. Next is the freeze-drying technology. Simple. You dried freeze the stem cell, the placenta that was harvested. It was freeze to make it last 2 to 3 years alive. Then we have the nitrogen-filled technology. Doon po sa mismong cell, sa mismong capsules, inalis ang oxygen to avoid oxidation. Kasi po pag may oxidation, nabubulok. May pagkabulok. Example, the apple, pagka nahanginan, pagka hinati mo, brown agad because of oxidation. But to keep everything inside in living form alive, kailangan niya ng nitrogen as replacement of the oxygen. Next is the enteric-coated technology. This one, I love so much. You know why? Kasi ang mga gamot natin, pag in-intake natin, previously when I was taking a lot of medicines, ang tataas ng dosage, 1,000 mg, 500 mg, only to find out later on na kaya pala ang tataas. Kasi sa stomach pala, sa taas ng acid ng ating stomach, dyan palang natutunaw na until ma-reach nila yung mga villi kung saan i-absorb ng katawan yung gamot, nasa 10% na lang. So kaya ganun ang tataas ng dosage. But because of the enteric coating technology, yung pinakabalat ng ating placenta, ng capsule form, ay hindi kayang tunawin ng acid sa tiyan. So it will be able to reach the smallest intestine or the small intestine where there are the villi that will absorb it and transport it to all the parts of the body that needs its effectivity. So, napakaganda po niyan. Next is emulsification technology. Pinaliit ng napakaliit na kaya niyang sumuot kahit sa pinakamaninipis na nerves. Ang mga nerves natin na masyadong makitid sa eyes, sa brains, sa ears. So even if your problem is concerning those parts of the body, walang problema, kayang-kaya ng stem cell because of the emulsification technology. And the last is biosorbable technology for easy absorption. That's as simple as this. So with all those technology, we were able to deliver to you from Reway, the 7th edition of Portier Placenta. And to give you a short background, ano po bang placenta ito? We use deer placenta. Bakit? Because it is the most compatible to human aside from horse and sheep. Because the other animals had encountered foot and mouth disease in the past. So historically speaking, ayaw natin ng may ganon, ayaw ng Reway ng ganon. So they made use of the deer, which is also called the divine beast. Because according to ancient belief, hindi naman talaga actually ancient, kasi hanggang ngayon, fact yan eh. All parts of the deer had its medicinal value. So lalo na yung placenta. Alright? Moving forward, these are the clinically proven patented ingredients. Okay. So what is inside the capsule of Portier Placenta? First, by the way, patented ha, ibig sabihin si